Friends, Jai Swaminarayan. I am Rajendra Patel, Standard 6 English Medium Subject Math, Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Exercise 3.6, Sum number 1, 2, 3. Friends, in this exercise, we are going to study about SCF. So, what is the meaning of SCF? So, highest common factor. This is the full form of HCF. Highest common factor. Friends, sum number 1, find the SCF of the following numbers. So how we can find the SCF, highest common factor? We know about prime number, we know about the divisible test of numbers, then we know about odd number, even number, consecutive number. So with the help of prime factor, we can find the SCF of the any 2 or 3 number. First, we have a number 18 and 48. So how we can find the SCF of 18 and 48? So we have do first prime factor of 18 and 48. The prime factor of 18 is last unit digit is 2. So we can divide this number by 2. Here 2 means half, 18 half 9. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. This is the prime factor of 18. 48. Last unit digit 8, so we can divide by 2. 2 means half, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 24 half 12, then 6. We can divide it by 2, 3, 3 1s are 3. Count 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. So it is right. Now the prime factor of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 and 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3. Friends, there is no need to this prime factor, but for write this prime factor. Now count again, 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 48. Now our prime factor is right. Now how we can find the HCF? HCF means highest. Common. Common means in both numbers. The number which are in both numbers, it is known as common. Now you can see here in 18 2, here also 2, here 3, here also 3. The common is 2 and 3. So HCF of 18 and 48 is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So this is our answer. Friends, if we want to find HCF, we have to use prime factor first, then we have to find the common in both numbers. Then the product of its means multiplication. Second one, 18 and 16. Friends, see 18 and 16. तो we know the factor of 18. अभी भी किया है हमने 18. So 2 into 3 into 3. Now the prime factor of 60. We can divide by 2, 30. We can divide by 2, 15. We can't divide it 15 by 2 because last unit digit is 5. Now then 3. So 3 5s are 15, 5 1 जा 5, count 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, 12 5 जा 60. So here 60, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. But in 18 and 16, which number are same? You can see here 2 and 2. Here 3 and 3. So, friends, the prime factor of 18 and 16 is 6. Now, third number, okay. Now, our third number, 2 3 जा 6, तो HCF of 18 and 60 is 2 into 3, it is also 6. Now, 27 and 63, D number, 27 and 63. So we do the prime factor of 27 and 63. 27. We can't divide it by 2. You know the prime number, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, between 1 to 15. Prime number, you must have to learn the prime factor between 1 to 15. If we can't divide any number by 2, then go on 3. 3. So 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Prime factor of 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Count 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27. Now the prime factor of 63. Prime factor of 63. We can't divide this number by 2 because last unit digit is odd number. If we want to divide, then it must odd number, but here, sorry, even number, but here odd number, so we can't divide it by 2. Now 3. So friends, we know the divisible test of 3. What is the divisible test of 3? So if we divide the sum of digit of any number, sum of digit of any number by 3, then we can divide the whole number by 3. So 6 plus 3, 9. We can divide by 9 by 3. 3 3 ja 9. So we can divide this whole number by 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 21. 3 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7, 3 3 ja 9, and 9 7 ja 63. So prime factor of 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. Friends, you can see in this number 3 and 3 both are same. So HCF of 27 and 63 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now, A completed, C, D and E. Now E. 36 and 84. So first we do the prime factor of 36 and 84. 36. 2. We divide by 2. 18. 18 to ja 36. Then 2. 9. 3. 3. 3 1 ja 3. 2. 2 ja 4. 3 ja 12. 12 3 ja 36. So prime factor of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now prime factor of 84. Prime factor of 84. Divide by 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. 21. And we know that 21 means 3 7 ja 21. So 2 2 ja 4. 4 3 ja 12 and 12 7 ja 84. 84. Then 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So friends, we can see here 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3, both are same. So the HCF of 36 and 84 is 2, 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. Friends, here HCF of 36 and 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. So friends, now you can understood that how we can find the HCF, highest common factor. So first, if we have given 2 or 3 number, first do the prime factor of all number, then find the same number in it. Now, sum number 2, you have given total 1, 2, 3, 6, 10. You have total given 10 sum of SCM, but I do only 4 sum, and and based on this sum, you have to do other sum at home. What is the SCF of 2 consecutive numbers? Consecutive means, friends, nearby, pass wala, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 17, 18, like this. So what is the SCF of 2 consecutive number? Even numbers and odd numbers. First, consecutive number means suppose 3 and 4 are consecutive. So SC prime factor of 3 is equal to 1, 3 are 3 and 4, 1 into 2 into 2. So common is 1. Nothing common means 1. Friends, remember, if we do direct 3 is prime, so only 3 and 4, 2 to the 4, you can nothing here same, but 1 is factor of all numbers. So anytime 1 is common in any number, any 2 number or any 3 number. So friends, consecutive number has there is nothing same factor. So the HCF of consecutive number is always 1. Friends, even number. Consecutive even means, suppose 4 is even, then the consecutive number of 4, this side 3, but 3 is odd, but we want even, so 2. This side 4, 5, but 5 is odd, we want even, so here 6. So SCF of 4 and 6. Friends, SCF of 4 and 6. So 2, 2 ja 4 and 6, 2, 3 ja 6. Here 2 is common. So any two consecutive even numbers have every time HCF 2, because 2 is common in nearby consecutive even numbers. So every time the SCF of consecutive even number is 2. Now third one, the odd numbers. So friends, 2 consecutive odd number means, suppose 1 is odd number. So consecutive of 1 is 3, 3 or 5, 5 and 7. So 5 and 7, so both are prime. So SCF 1. So friends, the consecutive odd numbers has everyday SCF 1. Now, sum number 3. Friends, your question is very big, but answer is very short and easy. SCF of co-prime. Friends, last period I say about co-prime. What is co-prime? Which 2 number has SCF only 1? Means any 2 number में only 1 ही common factor है. Suppose 3 and 4. 3 and 4 में 1 into 3, 1 into 2 into 2, so 1 is common. So 3 and 4 are co-prime. So friend, SCF of co-prime number 4 and 15, because 4 and 15 has only one factor common and it is 1. How? So 4 has 2 into 2 and 15 has 3 5 are 15, nothing same, but I told you 1 is every time common. So 4 and 15 has one common factor and it is 1, so both are co-prime numbers. Was found us by the factorization. 2 2 are 4 and 5 3 are 15. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? Friends, this answer is wrong because any number has minimum HCF 1 because 1 is a factor of all numbers. So it is not wrong, and if not, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 1. So friends, today we study about the HCF and we completed exercise 3.6. In next period we will study about LCM, least common multiple, and this chapter then over, but we have one exercise remaining and it is 3.7 about LCM. Friends, today we study about SCF. The meaning of SCF is highest common factor and how we can find the SCF of any two or more number. So do prime factor and find same factor in it. Jai Sri Ram.